Hi, welcome to the demonstration video of Odoo's application, Dashboard Ninja Advanced, powered by Ksolves. In this video, we will be understanding a very important feature, TV mode. This feature is about how can we present our data on TV screens placed in different places of our office, maybe the reception areas or maybe the workspace where our teams are sitting. This feature basically helps to boost up the motivation and gives the proper information about the stats to our teams and to the different people by portraying all these tiles or the bar charts into the slideshow. To enable this feature, we have to click on play button and we can see a slide has come in which we can see the chart item of us. Right now, this will be automatically playing. For this, we have to just simply see that after a particular interval, these slides will be changing, and we can see different charts coming onto our screen at a particular interval of time. Right. So, as on your screen, you can see all these slides are changing after a particular interval. So now, to configure or to change the interval, we have to go to configuration, click on dashboards. We have to click on the particular dashboard for whose we want to change the time interval. We have to edit this. Now you can see there is an option slide interval where 3 seconds is set up as of now. I'll make it to 5 seconds. I'll save it. I'll go to my dashboards again. I'll click on play button. So now you will see the change has come after 5 seconds of the interval. All the slides are changing. This is how this feature works. I hope this video will be of great help to you. Thanks for watching this video. For any further queries or questions, you can reach us at sales@ksolves.com. Thank you.